Hey guys, so today I'm showing you what $1 million buys you in Austin, Texas. I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent, and I'm here at 11227 Tracton Lane. This home is located in the heart of the Heschler in Circle C. Circle C is a master plan community located in Southwest Austin. It's 12 miles south of downtown. So it's a great neighborhood to consider if you want to live in suburbia, but still be close to the city. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. If this is your first time watching, I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent. I'm here to talk to you about all things Austin, help you envision your life in Austin, and be a resource to you, to be your guide and help navigate as many of you call Austin your home. By the way, if you haven't done so already, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Here are the specs of this home. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, a separate dedicated office on the main floor, a flex room upstairs, 3,977 square feet on a 0.20 acre of a lot. As you walk through the front door, the grand entrance features brand new 7-inch wide plank Alpine oak floors that radiate a sense of warmth and sophistication. To the left of the entry is the living room and dining room. It's creating an immediate impression of spacious elegance. The living room invites relaxation with its thoughtfully designed layout, while the adjacent dining room offers an intimate setting for family gatherings and entertaining guests. The heart of this residence lies in its recently updated kitchen. Wide cabinets provide a timeless elegance, while Calacatta marble finished quartz countertops add a touch of luxury. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath layout is designed to accommodate the diverse needs of modern living. With a dedicated office space on the main floor and the versatility of the flex room upstairs, a space that can be adapted to suit your unique lifestyle. The home is just under 4,000 square feet on a generous 0.20 acre lot, offering ample space for both indoor and outdoor living. All right, that concludes our tour for today. If you have any questions about this property or about the Austin market, real estate market in general, shoot me a text, give me a call, send me an email. All my contact information is on the screen. And hey, if you haven't done so already, make sure to click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, or click that notification bell. I'm here to serve, and that simple gesture encourages me to make more videos for y'all. I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent. Until next time.